How can we use the essence identity to help us determine next steps or decisions or choices or responses to challenging situations?
You don't use it. You don't learn to use the essence identity. The essence identity uses you. So you don't have to learn and figure out how to use essence identity. The more you become rooted in your essence identity, the more you will find that right action, what you need to do, what you need to say at any given moment, comes from that dimension of consciousness in you. And then gradually you begin to realize that it's not you who is using it, it uses your mind to manifest itself through you. It uses your body to emanate through. So that's the important thing. The question then is not right. You cannot use it, because who are you? It would be the form identity using the essence identity. You could look at it like that, but it's not really how it works. Gradually, as your essence identity merges more, it uses your body and mind to manifest in this world and to bring about change too. First it just emanates presence, and then it flows, it begins to use your mind, your speech becomes less repetitive, more interesting, more creative. Probably you speak less than one used to. That applies to almost everybody, but what you say has significance and power to it, and it changes the way you think. It's because it shines into your mind and begins to shine away all destructive, dysfunctional and repetitive and compulsive unconscious thought movements and thought patterns. So it rises into your mind. It uses you, and even that is a limited way of talking about it, because it is you. It is the emergence of who you essentially are. But who you essentially are is not a separate autonomous entity. Who you essentially are is deeply connected with the nature and the identity of the universe itself. The heart of the essence of you is also the essence of the universe. And when you go beyond this narrow identification with form, you are more deeply connected with the whole, with the totality. And the totality of consciousness acts, speaks, emanates through you. So that is the shift. You become it's an evolutionary shift. You become a different being. So it may sometimes look to you as if you were using it, but really it's using you. And that's how it should be.
Thank you.
Thank you.